Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be making this super easy pasta primavera. Now let's cook. So guys, you want to add your water to the stove and you want to ensure that it's boiling before you start adding your pasta. Now for the pasta, I'm using this bow tie pasta and I'm going to cook this according to the package instruction, which is about 11 to 12 minutes or until it's al dente. Now guys, while my pastas are cooking, I'm just gonna be cutting my veggies. Now for the veggies, I'm using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and red onion. Now guys, if you guys are on a budget and you want to make something really simple, this is a perfect meal for you because this only has like 5 ingredients. Very simple and convenient, guys. If you're hurrying from work and just want to prepare something super easy, this is just a perfect meal for you guys. Super convenient, super easy. Okay guys, and here we have our pasta. It's perfect to cook, al dente to be exact. Now we're just gonna remove that from the stove so it doesn't continue cooking. So now in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding olive oil. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to allow this to melt, then I'll be adding my veggies. Now you're just going to saute that veggies until they are tender, which is about a minute or so, just until they're a little bit fragrant. Then I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and this is just going to enhance the flavor, guys. It's just going to take it to another level. And yeah, so now that I've added the chopped garlic, I'm just gonna allow that to saute for another 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna season it with black pepper, salt, and parsley, dried parsley to be exact. Okay guys, if you decide that this is just too basic and you want to add protein to your primavera pasta, you can go ahead and add that. So you can add chicken, whatever protein you guys have, chicken, turkey, beef strips, whatever it is, guys, go ahead and incorporate that to it. Now guys, this smells so good. It smells so good, guys. Now I'm gonna be adding my pasta. Just tossing that in there. Oh my goodness, guys. Now after this finish, guys, I'm gonna be adding parm and parsley, and this is just gonna be a garnish. And yeah, just so good, man, just so good, guys. This smells so good. I promise you guys, this is so good. I'm just a lover of pasta, guys. I just love pasta. That's just it, guys. Pasta lover. Now guys, we've actually come to the end of the video. I'm just topping this off with the parm, as I mentioned before, and the parsley, and this is the final product, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and I promise I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.